And you always try to warn me of the pretty girls out there. Now I finally learned my lesson, and she got a story to share. Don't kiss and tell. Don't kiss and tell. Listen, son, my mama said, love don't cost a thing. Happiness is free for all, just treat it like it's king. And if your true love leaves one day, make sure not to go wrong. The girl will laugh all the way as she waves so long. Don't kiss and tell. And you always try to